Let's take a quick look at the Central Machinery high velocity fan from Harbor Freight that's made a big fan out of me. This Central Machinery 20-inch high-velocity floor fan features a carry handle for easy transport, all-metal shroud and blade construction, 3 speeds ranging from 5400 CFM to 6000 CFM, and we'll try to visually represent that here in just a second. Quiet operation, we're going to test that too. Easy tilt functioning for optimum positioning, 6-foot cord and a built-in cord organizer, and a sturdy base with anti-slip feet. All right, let's crack this puppy open. What I like about this is the all-metal design. I was looking for something for my shop that would be a little more on the industrial side. I've been using a traditional box fan that I got at Walmart, this Lasco brand, and it does a decent job. But being out here in the shop, we're about to get some warmer weather. I'd like something that can move a little more air. My shop isn't necessarily the most well ventilated. Airflow only happens when you open the door or the bay doors. And with the coming warmer weather, we're getting a lot of bugs, flies, wasps, all sorts of pests. I don't know that I want my shop doors just wide open all the time, letting every Tom, Dick, and Harry from the bug world coming in here. So we're going with this. Hopefully this will keep it cool, at least move some air so it sort of feels like it's cool in my shop. Not much to it. This is the base. And you just throw the tubes in there like that. It's got those little clicky push button pin things. Snaps into place. And then you can rotate it on the hinges here on the sides. This is the motor. It's got 3 speeds, here, there, and gone. It's got a handle right here. It's got a hook right here for the cord. This thing could be mounted to the wall if I wanted to. Put it up here somewhere and angle it. But I think for now, I'll just leave it on the floor. Okay, let's plug this thing in. Just want to see how much difference the airflow is. This thing claims, what, 6,000 CFM. So I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna crank this fan on to full blast. We'll see how quickly that plastic bag blows away. That's the highest speed. Okay, we'll set this one right here. We'll crank this to speed 3. Yeah, that was quick. Yeah, it blew that plastic bag clear across the shop in about a second. Speed number 3. Not especially great. It is blowing it away, finally catches it, and there it goes. Blew it all the way to the door. Now it's in the corner of the room. This thing is moving some air. So I've got my microphone here. I'm gonna stick it in front of the fan. We'll see how much noise the wind causes across the microphone. Amount difference in airflow. Next, I want to test how loud each fan is. I've got a decibel reader app on my phone, and we'll get the decibels of each fan on each of their settings. Looking at 48 decibels. $65. 57. 67. 62. 63. 68. Well, really, it isn't a fair comparison because they're two styles of fan. One's an industrial and one's a household fan. Well, the reason for the comparison is I've been working with a household box fan for years, working on my cars and stuff. So that's the sound level I'm used to. So working with the central machinery fan, it's definitely going to be louder. However, I'm willing to overlook it for how much air this thing throws. Coolness is what I'm after, not necessarily the sound level. But anyway, I find it interesting that at its highest setting, the Lasco box fan was quieter than the lowest setting of the central machinery. But I also found it quite interesting that in the 3 fan speeds of the central machinery, there was very little difference in the decibels. Setting 1 was 65, setting 2 was 67, and setting 3 was 68 decibels. So it doesn't matter which level you put this fan on, it's going to be about the same noise. Pretty interesting. Well, having said that, I'm really looking forward to working out here with this high velocity fan. Like I mentioned before, we're going to be getting into the warm months here real soon, so it can get awfully stuffy in here if I don't want these doors open. I'm really not a big fan of the horseflies, wasps, hornets, and whatnot that are around our property. I really don't want them in here while I'm trying to fix a car. So in the likelihood that I've got the door shut, I'm glad I have this fan in here now that I can move a lot of air. Having considered buying a fan for the shop for a little while, seeing the coupon for this central machinery high velocity fan made it a no-brainer to pick one up at Harbor Freight. Keep your eye out at Harbor Freight. They have coupons from time to time, and you might be able to snag up one of these cool fans, pun intended. Well, that'll wrap up this video. Be sure to check out my channel for more automotive content. Check out the links in the description if you're interested in any Daninator apparel. Any purchase there is greatly appreciated as it helps this channel grow. As always, thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure and hit that like switch on your way out. See you next time.